Hey guys, if you're trying to open Netflix on your smart television and it's just not opening or not working correctly, then keep watching this video as I'm going to show you a few ways we can go and fix this. Now, the first thing you need to do is just ensure that you have an active connection to the internet. Now, this is going to be different on each television depending on your model and brand, but typically what you need to do is come over to the settings page of your television. You can usually find a settings button on your actual remote control. And then from the settings page, we're just going to find our network settings. Now on my television, this is located underneath the general tab, but like I said, this could be located somewhere different on your television. So from general, I'm just going to swing over to network, and then I'm going to click on the network tab like so, and then just click on network status. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently connected to the internet, so everything should be working fine. So from your network settings, just make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection. Now, the next thing we're going to do is head back over to the main settings page on your television. And the next thing we're going to do is just update the firmware on our TV to make sure we're fully up to date. Now, every television will have this option to do this, but it may be different depending on your model. So on my TV, this is located in the support tab right at the bottom down here. And then you can see from support, I can just come over and click on software update, and I can simply click on this update now button. And that's just going to quickly check our television to make sure we are running the latest firmware. And if any updates are found, it's going to automatically update them for you. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, the final solution that will work on any television is just to perform a hard reset of your TV. So to go and do that, you need to come around to the back of your television and you need to locate the power cord that runs from your TV to the wall socket. Now, what we're going to do is just unplug this from the wall like so, and you're going to leave this unplugged for around about 20 seconds. Now, while the main power supply is unplugged, we're going to come round to the physical television and you need to locate the manual power button on the back of your TV. So sometimes this can be on the back of your TV and other times it can be just on the bottom of your TV here. Now, on this particular model, it's located just underneath the Samsung logo. And once you've found this power button, we're going to hold the button down for around about 10 seconds. This will drain any residual power that's still left in our device. Now, once you've done that, you can release the button and then we're just going to plug the television back into the power, and you can try firing up your TV, turning it back on, and then you can just launch up the Netflix application, and that should have now solved that issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.